Okay, guys, what's up? Haven't uploaded in quite a few days. Actually, it's like what now, 3, almost 4. But I'm gonna upload today. Obviously, this is the video. Today is basically the $2,000 challenge trade. I took $2,000 and traded this. I believe it was. Oh, actually, I don't know exactly how much I spent. I know it was almost $1,000. I know I took 1,200 shares at 257. No, $1.57. Yeah, don't scare me like that. So we got in right here. Okay, it's not gonna let me do that. Sweet. So right here's where we got in, and normally I was actually watching Dare, and I was watching these main big stocks move this morning just because I was scared and see like where the market's going with all that's been happening to it, and I'm still sick, but that's life. But this was mainly this morning, and it was kind of like spotty. It wasn't really like an actual chart like I believe Dare this morning. I can't spell. Dare this morning was an actual like chart, uptrended, and it spiked in the morning and then just completely failed. But that was the other one I was looking at. But Icon this morning, I ended up going with this one because of Dare's failure right there at the open, and like of course it popped up and then it just failed, and I didn't really see any possible play there. And this one was kind of spotty, but it was kind of just grinding slowly up. It wasn't like one big candle, one another big candle here, or up and down here at the open, which is kind of spotty, or not really spotty, but sketchy to me. Um, it was just one here and then another one here, and then a lot of the sells you could see were buys were up here. So I felt good about that one, and I was trying to get in right in here. And I am me being myself, I didn't want to take a market buy-in because then I would have got in here, and that was stupid of me because I ended up still getting a limit buy, but it was at $1.57, and then I ended up actually only selling at $1.65, literally right here. So this right here was actually it's like down and then it popped back up, and right here's where I was actually selling. Actually I got most of my shares sold right here on this candle and barely right here because as you see it has this little wick right here and it kept popping up to it, and I was just thinking, well, I got lucky since I chased this price all the way up to here when I wanted to get in right here, that I'm just going to take profit and get out right here. I have 1,200 shares, so that's a decent amount for my money. So we're still gonna make $100 here. So that's what I was going off of. And then of course I got filled and I'm thinking, oh cool. And just pulled back just a little bit there for a second and it went red on this candle and then it just took off again. And I was just like, wow, this thing's gonna go higher. I quit watching it because of course you take profits when you have them, but it still sucks to see how much money you could have made, but you're still happy with what you made. So that was today's trade. It was literally just from here to here. I mean, not a huge trade, nothing like, oh my god, but it's a winner. It was more of a gamble for me, and I don't like that, even though it did have this uptrend right there, which I liked a lot. But yeah, really just kind of a sketchy trade. This is just kind of a recap. I have news for you guys. I think I've said it already in one, but I got news for you guys coming in the near future. Just gotta wait for everything to be finalized and for my parents to tell certain people, and then I will be able to share my news with all of you. So with that being said, this is still going to finish green today. Um, Pretty nice. And this one might be a runner tomorrow. So this one might be one that I look on getting into at about 3:45, looking for a gap, or it might gap up tomorrow morning, depending on all the news and everything else. I may get lucky, I may not. But that'll be on a separate account. But thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and follow me on this challenge.